Alright, I am going to attempt to, actually it's not even an attempt, done it before. Gotta replace some of these boards that are in there for these lateral branches. Gonna put a little beefier setup. Probably just gonna remove this one altogether. Actually, not remove, but change out. And hopefully, luckily from work and job sites, I've got access to some big beefy old cross arms and some hardware that should hold up for the long run and not get so bent as they get saturated with water. I don't know if you can see that one over there, but he's definitely got a curve as the weight has come down, as well as the you know, just moisture from the sprinklers. But stand by for the finished product. All right, ended up leaving that steak and the bacon avocado, that is, but this one turned out well, pretty beefy. Got it up off the ground. Even that one avocado is hanging over there. He's no longer on the ground, which is good. Keep all the critters away from things. You can see him there. That's a bacon avocado. A couple little date palms or Mexican palms over there. I gotta get at the ground real quick, but all in all, worked great. Another bacon avocado over here. Had a little more beefier. That was the one that was super bowed. So got him looking nice and tall off the ground, which is great. Looking great. A little bit at a time. That's what I like about these trees. You don't have to do it all in one day.